While we spent some time on the KCS during the rare snowfall, I also took the opportunity to film the beginning of the Louisiana and Northwest Railroad's Monday morning operations in the town of Gibson. I arrived to the engine facility and saw that the snow left its mark. With the crews wrapping up with sweeping snow off the walkways, the pair of blue Patriot Rail Jeep locomotives are seen departing the locomotive facility to begin building its northbound. We observed from a distance the L&W organizing a shortcut of cars. After completing this task, it would shove back into 2 other cuts before heading out of town. The connection is made. L&W 3814 slowly eases its way out of town. We would grab one more run-by of L&W at the Iron Bridge Road crossing. The L&W crews didn't miss out on the usual snow day fun. A nice snowman hood ornament was added on the nose of 3814. I hope you enjoyed watching this short video of one of my favorite short lines in some of my favorite weather. As always, thanks for watching.